Have you ever wondered why a scrambled egg can never go back to being raw? While we often think of cooking as just heating up food, it is actually a permanent chemical transformation that locks the protein in place forever. Let's start with what makes an egg raw and runny. Inside the shell, the proteins are folded neatly into specific shapes, allowing them to flow like a liquid. This delicate structure is essential for life, but it is incredibly unstable when heat is applied. When we apply heat, a process called denaturation occurs. The thermal energy breaks the weak bonds holding those protein folds together, causing them to unravel and stick to one another in a chaotic mess. This is why the liquid white turns into a solid. Proteins like tangled headphones, once they are knotted together by heat, you cannot simply untangle them to get back the original smooth cord. The new bonds formed during cooking are much stronger than the ones that were originally holding the shape. You might notice that raw eggs and hard-boiled eggs look similar once cooked, but the internal structure is completely different. Just like how an ice bath helps cool a boiled egg quickly to stop this process, cooling a scrambled egg won't reverse the denaturation. This principle of irreversibility applies to many foods. While you can bounce a raw egg after treating it with vinegar and dye to make it rubbery, that is a chemical reaction that changes the shell, not the internal protein structure, which remains permanently altered by heat. In summary, cooking an egg is a one-way street because the proteins physically change their fundamental shape and bond permanently. We cannot undo the heat damage without adding new ingredients to create a completely different substance. Understanding protein denaturation helps us cook better and appreciate the science in our kitchen. What is your favorite way to cook eggs? Let me know in the comments below.